Let's see how to make flavorful tea. Boil water. Add grated ginger to the filter. Over that, put a small piece of cotton cloth. Add the required amount of tea. Pour the hot water over the tea. To this, add hot milk. With this cloth, slightly dip it inside. Add the required amount of sugar. Here I am adding jaggery mixed with water. Add a little ginger juice. Ginger chai ready.